The Removals and Disposals report helps you keep track of removal orders, disposals, and liquidations pulled directly from your Amazon account. To get started, go to the top menu in InventoryLab, click Reports, then select Removals and Disposals. By default, the report shows data from the last 30 days. Want to view a different time frame? Just update the date range in the top right-hand corner and click View. The report initially displays all order types, but you can filter it to show only removals, disposals, or liquidations, whatever you need to focus on. You can also refine the data even further by searching for specific items using an order ID, ASIN, MSKU, title, or even by scanning a UPC. Need a copy? You can export any filtered view of this report with just one click. The report includes sortable columns that give you a full breakdown of each order: removal order ID, item title and MSKU, type of removal, indicated by simple icons, box for removal, trash bag for disposal, lightning bolt for liquidation, status, whether it's completed, pending, or canceled, ASIN, sellable, requested, canceled, and completed units, fees, requested date, and last updated. Once the order is marked complete, you can manage its disposition, decide whether it's sellable, unsellable, or follow Amazon's default status on the disposition management page. And that's it. The Removals and Disposals report gives you a clear, detailed view of your inventory adjustments so you can stay organized and in control. Thanks for watching.